In the last couple of days, we have seen drone market changed forever. There are two drones, they can shoot up to 8K footage, they can fit into your pocket, they do not need any kind of license to fly, and they are super safe and super beginner friendly, and these are going to be changing the game forever. Welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to be talking about the two drones that launched this past week, and they are going to be changing every single thing about the drones that we know of. And these drones are the DJI Flip and Hoverair X1 Pro Max. I think Hoverair should not chase about Apple with their naming scheme, but now let's talk about these amazing drones, because these are going to be changing every single thing as we know of. First of all, these are not designed for the prosumers, or at least the pro consumers. These are designed for the people that can vlog with them every single day. They can just need to take it out and shoot the videos. These are not going to be the fastest drones, but these are the super safe drones. These are going to be changing things in a very different amount of manner. Both of these drones have 1 or 1/3 inch sensor, which is a good sensor. Now anyways, first I want to complain something, that even though DJI has this amazing sensor, and this is shot on a DJI, this is a 1-inch sensor but with an f2 aperture. So DJI Flip is having a 24mm equivalent. On the other side, Hoverair is having a 16mm equivalent lens. Now, but the thing is, one is going to be a little bit wider, which is going to be Hoverair. And the thing about these lenses is, I want to say that DJI has this amazing sensor. Why not put it into a drone and make it a phenomenal product? DJI has this color science dial behind it. Now, I would say there are two models with the Hoverair, Pro Max and I think Pro. People should not get the Pro. There's a reason, because it cannot shoot with the hyper gamma and you cannot color grade it. And on the DJI side, there is the option to shoot in the D-Log M, which you always should use. Now let's show you the footage of this one side by side. One is graded and one is not graded, and these are both shot on the D-Log M profile. The amount of difference you can create while using a particular color profile is a game changer. And even though if you are not a pro, always having the option to use some color grading tools is great, because you can buy presets. Like if you can buy my preset and just drag and drop it, you can literally one click color grade it. So this is definitely a good feature. Now on the Hoverair side, you can actually shoot in 8K. Now the thing behind 8K and 4K and what everybody is saying, the future proofing, there is no future proofing, or there is no 2x zoom. 2x zooms look good when you see the ads, but in reality, no. The native resolution is always something you should be considering of, and the 8K is just more of a feature on paper rather than you can shoot it. I think a 4K 60 is definitely a way to go, and for both of the drones, but just having this color profile on the Pro Max version, I think that is the reason just to pick it up. Now both of these drones also do have internal storage, which is absolutely freaking awesome. I think DJI can shoot up to like 512 gig support with the card side, and Hoverair Max can do around 1 terabyte of card support. But having a little bit of internal memory, I think Hoverair has a better like around 64 gigs, so which is a better memory. But if you are going to be forgetting your card at home, at least you can get some footage, and this is very much critical, because every single consumer drone right now is kind of lacking it. And then the best feature about it is both of these drones are sub 250 grams, which means you do not need to have a license to fly these, which is ridiculously freaking amazing. Because if you want to capture the memories of traveling or with your family, you need to have at least some amount of permission to fly the drones which are about 250 grams. But with this thing, with sub 250 grams, you do not need any kind of license. You just need to take it out of your pocket and shoot it. Speaking of taking out of the pocket, both of these drones can be flipped and put it into the pocket, which is one of the best things that anybody has done in the design segment right now. And I think DJI has kind of copied Hoverair, because Hoverair came out around 1 year ago with their first product, and since then, yeah, it has been a great ride. Now on the safety side, I think Hoverair is still the way safer option. The props guards, they cover from all directions, so the props are not going to be touching your hand whatsoever. It is way too easy to carry in the pocket. It is under 200 grams, which is definitely a game changer, and you just need to take it out and shoot it. But I think the low light on the DJI is going to be absolutely freaking awesome. So definitely it is what you have in preference. So I would like to say that you need to watch a couple of different videos. One definitely video that kind of changed my mind is Peter's video, where he shows you DJI and he braces literally. So the thing with these drones are not going to be very fast, and you have to keep in mind that both of these drones have a speed limit of their own, and they are not going to be the fastest drone. So you cannot take it out of your hand and carry it and they are going to be tracking your car. No. Bike rides, yes, they can do that. Kids, great. Running, great. Vlog, great. Speaking of vlog, the insane feature that DJI has actually put into, and I like to say that this is going to be the feature of the future, is that it can support natively the DJI microphones. You do not need anything. You just need to use your either DJI Mic 2 or DJI Mini, and you can actually use these microphones wirelessly. So if, let's say, this is a drone and I have the mic with me, we can literally record and it be looking absolutely awesome. Like, you can literally vlog. You do not need to carry any other camera, just that one drone. It can shoot in the air, it can shoot in the land, it has the stabilization, and this is awesome. I would like to say that DJI just need to come up with something that has been done in the past, which is the GoPro drone. Listen, if a drone can carry an Osmo Pocket 3, right, literally an Osmo Pocket 3, have more protection under it, have couple of radars, make the just drone standalone is $500, $500 and $600 or $600 for the Pocket 3 or Pocket 4 in the future. Make it $1,000 package, give it to us. We can vlog with it, we can shoot videos with it, we can carry that thing, and we can fly that thing, connect with the microphones. Definitely be a game changer. But on the other side, I think it got the best ergonomics in the game. It is super pocketable, and I think if I can get my hands on it, which is going to be very, very hard because I live in India and Hoverair does not ship in India. On the other side, DJI is still not shipping the Flip. I would have gotten it in my hands. I'm going to be actually ordering the Flip on the day it's going to be coming up, but till then, let's see what they can do. And I cannot wait to put my hands on both of these amazing drones. Now I would say just go to YouTube, see some videos for it, but this is something that is definitely a game changer, and we are going to be seeing a lot of changes because of these two drones. Now I don't think both of these are going to be very successful in the market, but these are the drones definitely which are going to be leading the path for the drones in the future. Anyways, these are my 2 cents on these amazing 2 drones. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are going to be having some issues about them, please let me know what you think about these drones, and I will see you amazing people in the next one. And also, I'm shooting with a light that I created, and this light is like sub $30. So if you want to see this tutorial, just let me know. Okay, bye bye.